Most people believe banks simply store money. You deposit money, the bank keeps it safe. And when someone needs a loan, the bank lends out that same money. Sounds reasonable? But that's not how modern banking actually works. Atlas discovered something surprising. Most of the money in the world wasn't printed by governments. It was created by banks. Imagine you walk into a bank and apply for a loan of $100,000. Most people imagine a banker opening a vault and handing over existing money. But in reality, something very different happens. The bank creates a new deposit in your account. With a few clicks on a computer, new money enters the financial system. Money that did not exist before. Atlas followed the trail. The borrower spends the money, the seller receives it. The seller deposits it into another bank. That bank now has additional deposits, and it can create even more loans. The process repeats again and again. This is how money expands throughout the economy. But Atlas discovered an interesting problem. Banks create the loan, but they do not create the interest. That means borrowers must find additional money somewhere else in the economy. This encourages more borrowing, more lending, and more debt. Over time, debt becomes one of the engines driving economic growth. The system works well when confidence is high. Businesses expand. People buy homes. Investments grow. But when confidence disappears, problems begin. Loans stop. Money creation slows. Economic activity weakens. And sometimes, financial crises follow. Atlas also discovered why banks are so powerful. Banks do not become wealthy because they own all the money. They become wealthy because they control the flow of money. Every loan generates interest. Every interest payment creates income. The larger the volume of loans, the larger the profits. This hidden process shapes nearly every modern economy. Housing markets, stock markets, business expansion, and even inflation. Understanding money creation changes the way we think about banks. They are not simply places that store money. They are institutions that help create it. And the next time you pass a bank building, remember this. The most valuable thing inside may not be the money in the vault. It may be the power to create money itself. This is the Risk Atlas, mapping wealth, risk, and power.